Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos on Messenger Chat on PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open messenger.com in your web browser. Once the Messenger website loads, log into your account to access your chats. Next, select any chat on Messenger where you wish to send multiple videos. This can be a group chat or a conversation with an individual contact. Locate the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat interface. If you don't see this option, simply tap the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal additional features. Click on the photo and video icon to initiate the process of selecting the videos you want to send. Browse through your computer files, choose the desired videos, and then click Open to add them to your message. Once you have selected the videos, it's time to send them. Click on the Send button within the chat window or press the Enter key on your keyboard to dispatch the videos to the recipient. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to send multiple videos on Messenger Chat on PC using the new update. This feature allows you to share various videos seamlessly with your friends and family. Enjoy sharing your favorite videos and memories effortlessly on Messenger. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Messenger experience.